It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Fuzzy, fuzzy, cute, cute. Fuzzy, fuzzy, cute, cute. Fuzzy, fuzzy, cute, cute. Fuzzy, fuzzy, cute. Fuzzy, fuzzy, cute, cute. Fuzzy, fuzzy, cute, cute. Fuzzy, 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 cute, 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 cute.
Yeah, you keep on dancing on that cell phone, you crazy little chicken. Whoa, Hedgehog's got a new...
Lazy Harp Seal has no job. Lazy Harp Seal has no money. See his earnings, they are meager. He's lacking in business acumen. Look at me, I've got a fancy camera. The lens is big and it costs a lot. Look at me in my nice yellow jacket. The color is a special order, it was hard to find. Lazy Harp Seal has no camera, not even a simple point and shoot. Foolishly, he sits there smiling, even though he has no jacket. See him there.
Penguin wearing a funky shoe. Penguin's got on a funky shoe. Everybody in the zoo wants to see that funky shoe. He goes swimming with a shoe. Eats his dinner wearing a shoe. There is nothing that he can't do when he's wearing that funky shoe. The monkey told the leopard,
Boogie, boogie, hedgehog, boogie, boogie, hedgehog, boogie, boogie, hedgehog, boogie, boogie, hedgehog.
There's a rabbit that I know, always backwards he does go. Backwards rabbit. See him going in reverse, always hopping tail first. Backwards rabbit. He goes up his ramp and down his ramp. He eats a flower, he eats some parsley.